cry. Meow, meow, Mimi cat, soft and cute, imagine that. Grow, grow, little cat, learning this and learning that. Step by step, day by day, brave and kind in every way. Tiny paws go pitter-pat, snuggle close, imagine that. Mama purrs, my baby dear, Mimi smiles, the world is here. Meow, meow, Mimi cat, grow, grow, little cat, learning this and learning that. Step by step, day by day, brave and kind in every way. Wiggle left and wobble right, trying hard with all her might. Fall down once, but that's okay. Up again, hooray, hooray. Hooray, hooray, Mimi cat. Bounce, bounce, red ball spin. Mimi chases with a grin. Tumble, giggle, clap your hands. Round and round the red ball lands. Grab, grab, bounce that ball. Grow, grow, little cat, learning this and learning that. Step by step, day by day, brave and kind in every way. Round and round the yarn goes spin. Mimi laughs and jumps right in. Loop and twist and spin once more. What a mess upon the floor. Spin, spin, yarn so fun. New friend barks and birds all sing. Butterfly with shiny wings, let's all play, they shout with cheer. Happy friends are always near. Yay, yay, friends to play. Grow, grow, little cat, learning this and learning that. Step by step, day by day, brave and kind in every way. Lap, lap, milk so sweet, tiny tongue and happy feet. Full and warm she starts to purr, cozy dreams begin to stir. Purr, purr, sleepy cat, climb the tree, reach the top. Mimi says, I'll never stop.